Third problem, find the area of a triangle. What we need to find out? Area of the triangle. Given that its sides are 8 centimeter, 11 centimeter long. So sides, two sides are given and its perimeter is 32. So perimeter of the triangle formula is a plus b plus c. First we need to find out the third side. So third side, how can we find out? We need to subtract from perimeter, two sides from perimeter. So perimeter minus sum of two sides. So what are those two sides? 32 minus 8 plus 11. So 32 we will write as it is, minus 8 plus 11 is 19. So after subtracting we will get 13 centimeter. Okay. So now sides of the triangles we got it. Let us write down now sides of triangle are 8 centimeter, 11 centimeter and 13 centimeter. So the semi perimeter S is equals to, we already know the perimeter, that is 32. So semi means half. So 2 ones are 2 16s are 16 centimeter. Now we will use Heron's formula. Using Heron's formula. So area, what is the formula? Area is equals to under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So what do you mean by S? S is nothing but the semi perimeter. So let us write down, that is 16 into 16 minus A is 8. S 16 minus B is 11, which is the second side. S 16 minus 13. So what do we got? We know that the square root of 16 is 4. Okay. So if you want, you can write that, and for the remaining one you can write 16 minus 8 is 8 into 16 minus 11 is 5 into 16 minus 13 is 3. Here again what we can do, for 8 we can do one thing, 4 into 2 into 5 into 3. Okay, so for this, for this 4 we can take out square root of the 4, that is 2. So we got 4 into 2, the root of 2 5s are 10 into 3. Okay, so 4 2s are 8, the root of 2 5s are 10, 10 into 3 is 30. So this is the area. So therefore area is equals to 8 under root of 30 centimeter square.